What's up, hammerheads? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Hammers and Wrenches YouTube channel if you're new here, and we basically wrench on cars, and today we're going to be doing just that. We've got the Avant again. She's dirty. There's oak pollen everywhere. It's disgusting, but we got a pretty cool little video today. So this car, when you drive it, you may think it has throttle lag or throttle, not very good throttle response, but a lot of it is actually drivetrain response. And you know, it's an Audi, so all of the bushings, all of the engine mounts, transmission mounts, they're all pretty compliant to reduce vibration. But what that causes is more motion. Everything can move more, so you have more drivetrain lag. So when you hit the gas, the engine moves, the transmission moves, the differential moves, and then you get the power coming through. So one of the cheapest, easiest things you can do to these cars to get a very noticeable response is a new snub mount. This is a snub mount from ECS Tuning, ECS on there, and there's the part number. A snub mount in any situation is usually a third mount. These cars have two snub mounts on them. They have one on the front of the engine and they have one on the front of the rear differential. And they just stop the motor from moving so much. They don't handle any vibration, they just limit movement. And this is a polyurethane bushing, the one that's in the car. I don't know what it is, but it's way squishier. These things are very firm, very solid, dense rubber. This piece is right off of the red car. Red car slowly getting disassembled. Uh-oh, there's my front apron sitting there that we got to get on this car. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get the car jacked up and we'll show you how we're gonna change this stuff. First step, jack up your car. Okay, so we're under the car, and let me turn the camera vertical. Alright, there is the snub mount system. This is the oil pan right here, oil drain plug for reference, so you know where we are. So 3 Allen bolts right there. Gotta take those 3 out, and there's a 13 mil, 3 of those. So these, actually this piece, you would think you could leave it, but it has to come out. So both of these have to come out, all this has to come out, and then we'll put the polyurethane bushing in. Okay, quick comparison while they're both out. First of all, you can see a giant size difference. That cup that's under there, this fills the cup up so much better. This is rather small, and it lets the motor move quite a lot. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but let's see if I can get you an example. Let's see if you can see this. See? I hope you guys can tell how squishy that is. It's a pretty soft rubber. This thing right here, you could beat this with a freaking hammer. It is hard, solid polyurethane, and it just stops the motor from moving so much. So let's put this one back in. Okay guys, so we're able to just loosen that front piece up, and hopefully I can do this with one hand. You guys can see what's going on. If you loosen that up and let it sag down, it gives you enough room to slide that in. Now you want to bolt this triangle piece to the engine block first and get it aligned, and then you can tighten up the bolts on the lower rad support. So I'm going to put that together. By the way, get these little hex socket dealy whoppers. They're amazing. This is a, what size is this thing? 6 millimeter, that probably means. So it's wacky suckers in. Got the old Milwaukee drill. Nothing special, but you know, you can do more with these things than you might think. They provide pretty good torque. So let's tighten this up. Dog, what are you doing, dog? Tighten that up pretty good. It doesn't have to be crazy tight. Remember, you're just going into I guess that oil pan, that's part of the oil pan, and I'm sure it's aluminum. So I'm going to tighten those guys up. Those are 13 millimeter. Have the ratchet right here. Now you can see, like, it's pretty tight on there. You get a little bit of wiggle, but not a whole lot of wiggle. So let's tighten this up. Hang on. You guys probably don't know the struggle of working one-handed holding a camera. Kind of sucks, but you know, all in the name of views, I guess. So, whoa, here's something crazy. The front sway bar is made in Australia. That's freaking weird, huh? Why would something off of a German car be made in Australia? I got no complaints about Australia. Pretty freaking awesome country. I'd love to visit there someday. Probably won't, but on the bucket list for sure. So, alright, now I'm not going to be able to get any video. Hang on, wife's driving the mower by. I'm not really going to be able to show you guys the difference this makes, other than just showing you, you know, it fits so much tighter, it's a harder rubber. You get the point, you understand what it does. But I'm not going to be able to get any like driving footage to be able to tell you guys what it does, but trust me, it's going to make a big difference. So upon further inspection, this, what I assume to be factory piece, it's got a big split there, a smaller split over there. So this sucker was cooked. Sucker's dead. So junk, throw it away. We upgrade, we improve. So just like that, super quick, easy project. Literally took me 30 minutes. Might take you a bit more time if you're putting the actual polyurethane snub mount on that piece of metal, that mount there. What I did to put that one on with the old car, I just lubed it up real good with some motor oil and basically beat it. I beat the mount into the bushing with a hammer. It actually took quite a bit of force, which I'm happy about that because that means it's on there tight. So quick project, 30 minutes, 40 minutes at most, and we are going to gain so much drivetrain response. It honestly, when I did that to the red car, my brain exploded at how much it helped. That factory piece is just so compliant. It allows so much movement, and maybe that's what your average Audi driver wants, but it's not what I want. So we're done. That's it. Quick video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned for more. Like, share, yada yada, like I always say. Peace. Bonus footage. Hey cowboy, want to get the chickens? Get them, buddy, get them, buddy, get them, buddy, get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. All right, hey. Okay, don't hurt them. Did you get them? Okay. Hey, cowboy. You got them.